I'll bring you to eat the most popular clam noodles in Kuala Lumpur, see how it's cooked in the kitchen, and give you a few tips, so watch till the end.
It's just 10:30, there's already a queue. It's not even open yet.
Oh my goodness, look at the queue! I didn't expect this. In the last Malaysian street food series, I took you to eat prawn noodles. Today, I'm going to take you to eat something that only a local would know. A few more minutes before the restaurant opened and I've counted already 26 people waiting. Mommy, why is the queue so long? So many people over there.
Everybody loves it. It's popular.
How popular is it?
I think there's only one store they are selling good lala noodle.
More and more people are coming. We come to this restaurant, a new one. Yeah, we normally have this in the older restaurant that we've been going for how many years?
I don't know how many, 20 years?
20 years.
20, 30 years, 20. At least 20.
Why you always bring us there?
Food is nice. We like to go for the beef noodle.
If you'd like to explore more authentic local street food with me, hit the subscribe button and let me know at the comment box below what you'd like me to bring you to eat next. After waiting for half an hour, the restaurant finally opens at 11 o'clock. Here we are at Lai Foong Lala Noodles newly opened restaurant. This place is without a signboard in English, but don't worry, I'll tell you how to find this hidden gem at the end of the video. It's a relatively long restaurant, and at the end of it is the kitchen where the magic happens. I'll take you in a minute to find out what makes the soup taste so good. There is only a one-page menu. You have 3 choices: noodles with clams, prawns, or both. My mom didn't want the one with prawns because she says that it will change the flavor of the clam soup that we're here for. If you don't already know, lala is the local name for a particular species of clams with shells so soft that it cracks easily. Fresh clams are difficult to get, so whenever I see it in the market, I'll get some to make clams or seafood soup. Allow me to go into the kitchen to see how they cook the lala noodles. Let's go! Staff only. Ooh, wow! Okay, 谢谢. This wok filled with soup. Look at the amount of chili and ginger. Before the chef even begins to cook this famous lala noodles, he cleans the wok and heat it with huge flame. Cooking right now! First he cooks the ginger and chili. Fill the wok with stock before pouring in the lala. Then he pours in all the secret seasonings and mix it up. Finally, he lets it simmer until lala is cooked and let all the flavors from the ginger, chili and seasonings to be infused into the soup. It is finally done! Now it's time to prepare bowls of thin rice noodles, which we call mee hoon in Malay and mai fan in Chinese. Wow! Scoops a generous amount of clams into each bowl. Top it up with spring onions before pouring in the star. Clam soup cooked with fresh julienne ginger, chopped chili, and secret seasonings. Now the hot bowl of lala soup is ready to be served and we are ready to eat. Wow! Finally here! How's the soup, mommy?
Thank you. Wine.
So it's fresh and sweet. There's wine. Do you like it? It's delicious. 好食啊，媽咪，好食啊，好重味。Yeah, flavorful. Of course, like my mother said, xin him. Xin Tim means fresh and sweet in Cantonese. It's usually used to describe fresh seafood with subtle, pleasant sweetness. The lala is big as well.
你嗰種米線好似唔會索嗰種麵嗰啲。
They give you a plate underneath to put the shells. They give a generous amount of lala. Ginger. A lot of ginger here. See? I like it. But because it's mihun, you gotta eat it really quickly, otherwise it will absorb all the soup. At the moment, there's only one type of noodle that's available, which is rice noodle. It's a bit spicy though. It's a bit spicier.
Oh, ginger.
Not just ginger, but chili. Okay. Malaysians love spicy food, so they place extra chopped chili on the table. Suggest that you skip the chili and go for this instead. A bottle of herbal tea. This is bak cho. What is bak cho, mommy? You're not helping, mom. It's made from this herbal grass, which helps cool you down. The more you eat, the more spicier it becomes. There's a lot of ginger. There's some chili inside, so beware. May, what do you think about the price?
The price is okay. Because lala is very expensive.
So we think it's value for money. That's a lot of lala. I think it's quite worth it. This is how I like to eat it. Drink some soup, eat the clams, put it away, and finally eat the noodles. Lala, they're not fully open, so I'm gonna use my hands. I think this must be my favorite part.
After taking this one very hot.
Very hot, very heaty.
And got wine, got ginger, got chili. Make you sweating, perspiring.
Will you get drunk? Will you get drunk from it?
Little.
Really? My mother's alcohol tolerance is very low, so she's getting a bit giddy already. Yeah, I think your face is a bit pink. There's chili and wine inside, that's why my face is already red. So how do you get to this place to order a bowl of delicious lala noodles? It's located at Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We call it Petaling Street. This is the street it's located at. It's on your right. The restaurant is beside this leather shop. On the other side is a bookstore. The shop's name is only written in Chinese.
Lai Foong Lala is a name, the shop's name. Lai Foong Lala Noodles.
If you like to order something else, you can get a bowl of clam noodles with prawns. There are also some puddings. They also have the dessert of the day. Right at the back, you can get pork jerky, or we call bak kwa in Malaysia. What is that again?
民以食為天.
What does it mean?
It's the most important thing for people, for human people, anything.
If you like to dine at this restaurant, I wrote the name, the location, and all the details in my blog, newmalaysiankitchen.com. So check it out. The link is in the description box below.